Hey guys, what is up? Today we're going to show you a guide on how to register and use Luminar Best Photoshop Alternative. So if you don't want to use Photoshop, you want to use one of the newer alternatives to it. Luminar is one of the best. Not only does it give you like a 1 week, 7 day free trial that where you could pretty much access everything, but it's also fairly affordable for those who wanna go all in. So again, if you go to your browser, whether you're a laptop, Mac, or PC, just go to google.com and type in Luminar, and it's gonna be the first and second result. So whether you click here or here, it's gonna be you're gonna be brought to the same website, the same homepage. It's skyloom.com/luminar. So as you can see here, Luminar Neo, they say it's the advanced yet easy to use photo editor for everybody. So like what a lot of people pretty much the general consensus of things is like Photoshop. For a lot of people, it's easy to use, but for a lot more people, it's not. When you're a beginner, it is a bit daunting. It is a bit it's kind of hard, like it's very intimidating sometimes. So yeah, and as you can see here in the website, there are some pretty cool like interactions in the website. See, as you can see here, you can change the light, the look. It's pretty cool, huh? This one too. This is a bit more cooler. This is a bit more warmer. Same here. This is a bit dimmer. This is a bit brighter, and you could erase people too. As you can see, clean, mess-free photos in one click. So if you want to erase people, it has the capacity to do so. And you can also clear up the skin for your photo. In Photoshop, it's very tedious to do this. So again, going back to Luminar, let's go to Luminar. Unleash your creative potential with AI photo enhancement. So like this is not only a photo, or this is kind of like Photoshop merged with AI. Advanced results and easy to use software. Capture your favorite moments and bring them to life with Luminar Neo, the cutting edge photo editing software designed to make your creative vision into reality. So there again, 6 reasons why Luminar Neo is the best photo editor for you. Easy to use, which is I think the best thing about this software. Um, it's beginner friendly. AI powered replace skies, enhanced landscapes, and portraits, all with AI powered tools. Editing tools, enjoy a wide range of instruments, including layers, masking, so the standard stuff. It's available everywhere. It's available in Windows, Mac, and a plugin for here it is for Photoshop and Lightroom. So this Luminar can go hand in hand with Photoshop, which is amazing. It's not only a standalone; it could also be a good augment to your Photoshop. Uh, but I think the best thing here is like it's AI powered, which is pretty interesting. And as you can see here, this is the example of Luminar's interface. And as you can see, it's not complicated. Like when you go to the uh, interface of or the dashboard of Photoshop, there's a lot of things going on. Here, you just have the palette, the photo, and the layers is on the left here compared to Photoshop that has like a lot of things here. But here, the tools are here. It's up top. So, and this seems to be for Mac. Um, so yeah, it's very simplified. The interface is very simplified. Um, Again, like image, AI image enhancement, raw editing, layer support, non-destructive editing, which sometimes Photoshop, when you use Photoshop, if you're not used to it, um, you can mess up your photo, which will waste your time because you need to do it all over again. Lens correction. Oh, there's a lot of things here. As you can see here, look at this, right? It's pixelated. It's not, right? It's pretty cool. So let's view the plans. View plans. Let's see how affordable Luminar is. Let's wait for it to load. As you can see, it's very affordable. Um, so there are four plans here. This is the free one, right? This is the free one, which it doesn't. Uh, but if you go with the Explore Essential Tools to start your journey, it's 99. It's 9.9. It's 9.95 a month. It's $119 per year, which is very very affordable, especially if you're a freelance graphic designer, graphic artist. The Pro uh, has all the extensions. It's 992 a month. Aside from there's a deal here, say 33 um, percent if you do the yearly, build 999 annually too. So this is pretty much the same thing. So better go Pro. In lifetime, there is a lifetime one-time payment of $149. For somebody who has been using Photoshop for a while, for a hot minute, this is a steal. This is a steal here, and you have extensions pack too. Like before, it was $299. Now it's $149. Right? So it's very, yeah. But again, the best deal is the Pro. It's 992. It's not even $10. It's sub $10. And if you're like what I said, if you're a graphic designer, graphic artist, this is pretty affordable, given the market today too. So yeah, that's a pricing. Uh, yeah, and let's go back to the homepage of Luminar. So to log in, just click log in here in the upper right corner, and as you can see, um, if you don't, you can log in with Facebook, Google, Microsoft, and Apple, which is fastest way to do it. If you don't have an account yet, sign up. Right? It's the same thing. You can sign up with your Facebook account, your Google account, your Microsoft account, or your Apple account. So if you click sign up with email, of course, the same thing. It's very straightforward, right? This is a very straightforward process, just like anything else. And you just need to approve everything, fill in your email, your password, and then sign up. And there's going to be a confirmation email where you need to, yeah, it's pretty straightforward. So, uh, okay, so uh, the features here: enhance AI. This is their enhance relight, enhance and relight. These are the AI tools here. Sky is also the AI tool, and you can use it for landscape photography. Pretty much a lot of photography. So landscape, portrait, family, wedding, newborn photography, and photo editing for beginners. Their extensions, marketplace. Let's go to marketplace. See what's up. So if you get the one time plan, you still need to buy your presets. So they're very affordable. They're not even $20, $19, $15. So best presets. These are the best presets for everything. Pick your favorite sky objects. So like, there's a lot of things you can get if you get the pack. Because the thing is like, if you get the Pro, it is a monthly thing, right? But if the time comes that you need to like unsubscribe, you won't have the all access feature of the Pro bundle. So if you get the one time payment, uh, when you buy these is pretty. So like if you buy Starry Night for $19, this is yours forever, right? And as you can see here, all the presets here: skies presets, Lightroom presets, Luminar, LUTs, sky objects, all-in-one kit, overlays, textures, backgrounds, bundles, ebooks, courses. So even courses, right? Like they sell courses on how to do stuff. Landscape photography from gear to editing, creative photo editing techniques. No Luminar Neo. In Luminar Neo, I mean Luminar Neo, the complete course, right? These are expensive, but if you're not confident in just playing around with it, and if you have some extra cash, this is a very, in my opinion, very fair price investment in yourself as a designer. So yeah, that's it. That's pretty much it. Hope you like the video. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon, and we'll see you on the next video.